Okay, I am now making the dark type video. I know, crazy. Um, my video actually did pretty well. Um, I don't know. I just kind of think I should get onto the thing. Okay, Alolan Raticate. That stash is totally a yippee. Alolan Raticate. Oh, Rattata. I think I said Raticate. I don't know if I did. Um, ew. Alolan Persian's also ew. Alolan Meowth. He's okay, I guess. He's actually meh. Alolan Grimer. I think Alolan Grimer is oh meh. Alolan Muk is also meh. Shoot, I forgot to explain the tiers. Okay, so first we have the perfect tier, which is like these Pokemon are perfect, the best ever. Then we have Yippee. The Yippee Pokemon are like they're not the best, but they're pretty freaking good. The okay. They're just like kind of okay. They're not bad. They're not good. The meh are just meh. They just kind of exist. I don't know. They're just kind of designs that someone made. There's not really anything else about it. The eel, please leave. These Pokemon are ugly. Yeah, very ugly. Not cute. Okay, Mega Gyarados. Mega Gyarados. I don't know if Gyarados needed a Mega. He might have, but I don't know. I'll put that in okay. No, what? Hisuian, huh? Galarian Moltres. Whoa, I'm dumb. Galarian Moltres. I like I like all the Galarian birds. So I'm putting in Yippee. Actually, okay. Um, because it's my least favorite of three. Umbreon. Umbreon is Yippee. Murkrow's perfect. He even has the Hellbreaker hat. Lols. Um, Hisuian Quillfish. Actually, first let me just do Honchkrow. Honchkrow is, I would say, a perfect too. Cause like, look, they're just perfect. I don't know what. I didn't really know else. I didn't really know how else to explain that other than he's perfect. Hisuian Quillfish. He's meh. Um, fun fact about me: if I could find him, I hate Overquill. He ugly. Uh, Sneasel. I think Sneasel is okay. Um, where? Am I an idiot? Why can I not find? Oh, there it is. Weavile. I like Weavile. They're the Yippee. I have to kill in my playthrough of Sword and Shield. I forgot how hard I didn't prepare for myself for how hard Leon was gonna be. Um, so I accidentally did that, lost 7,000 Poké Dollars, and realized I'm gonna have to kill a bunch of these dudes in order to win. I also might, like, rid the oceans of all of their Whalmers, like, um, Houndour. Houndour's yippee. Houndoom is okay. Mega Houndoom's also okay. Tyranitar is okay. Mega Tyranitar is ew. Poochyena is yippee. Mightyena is ew. I don't know, just kind of like them. Okay, I have to say something real quick. Here's my quick PSA. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Like, look at these three and tell me they're not perfect. You legit can't. Yeah, you just kind of can't. Um, Nuzleaf is okay. His little nipples are funny. That's why he gets okay. Shiftree, ew. Sableye perfect. Mega Sableye also perfect. Two weird little dudes. Love them. Carvana is okay. It's kind of fish. Sharpedo is yippee. Mega Sharpedo is meh. I'm a fan. Absol is very aesthetic. It is a vibe. Oops. Sorry to give it some thought. So I think Absol's gonna be yippee, and Mega Absol's also gonna be yippee. Stunky is meh. Skuntank is okay. Spiritomb is okay. Drapion is yippee. I think it might be a little controversial, but hey, what I didn't see in the last video was controversy. I need people to argue with me. Please, I need argument to make me feel like I'm truly making it. Uh, Darkrai? Darkrai's okay. I went through a phase where I really liked Darkrai. It's kind of the back end. I know Samurott was a disappointment for a lot of people. I kind of liked Samurott. They were like, "Oh, you don't like Samurott? Let's give it a Hisuian to give it a redemption." You did not give it a redemption. How is it worse? Um, Purloin, excuse me, is meh. Um, Liepard. I mean, Liepard is like fierce. Um, I think she's a B. I think I need to explain it with these guys. Okay, hold up. Like, he's really cute. He's kind of a dude. I don't like how long your snoot is. Like, what the frick is that? You go down a little bit. Scrafty's reminds me of that one little lizard dude from Undertale. I forgot their name. Um, they are ugly though. Like, I'm not a big fan of their face. Like, Scrafty, I think he's perfect. No, just both of them. Okay. Actually, I'm getting too many of those vibes. Zorua is yippee. Zoroark, I'm putting yippee. I would put it lower if it wasn't for that goofy cyan hair tie, or the fact that N might be the best character Pokemon has ever introduced. Like, hello. Um, oops. Pawniard? I think Pawniard is okay. But then hold on. I put him a little lower so that I could put Bisharp in Yippee and King Gambit in Yippee. Y'all are sleeping on King Gambit. Whoops. Y'all are sleeping on King Gambit, which I feel like is kind of disrespectful. Um, we got Vullaby. Vullaby is meh. Mandibuzz is ew. Dark type is looking to be a good one. Dino's perfect. Like, look at the little boy. Xylus is okay. Now, there's something about. I feel like I want to put him somewhere in between okay and meh, but I can't. So I think Iron Jugulus is okay. Actually, Iron Regulus is meh, and Hydreigon is okay. Greninja's meh. I don't like his weird little tongue, but I do think Ash Greninja helps it by being a little more aesthetically pleasing. Except I forgot why that one's different. Like the freak. Um, Pangoro is yippee. Inkay is okay. Malamar is okay. Yveltal is okay. Unbound Hoopa is yippee. Incineroar is yippee. God, I'm gonna get so many furry accusations for that one. Oopsies. Uh, Guzzlord is meh. My least favorite Ultra Beasts ever. Uh, Nickit is okay. Thievul's yippee. I had a Thievul named Nikki. I don't like check what gender my Pokemon are when I'm naming them, so I make mistakes like that. I know I did the ice noise. Um, Impidimp is meh. Morgrim is okay. Grimmsnarl's perfect. Like, he's the perfect man. Gigantamax Grimmsnarl's ew, please leave. Like, why'd you do that? Morpeko is okay. Hangry Morpeko is ew, please leave. It's just in the anime such an overused joke. Like, God. Urshifu is perfect. He's such a karate man. Um, Gigantamax Urshifu is okay. It's a little weird. Zarude is yippee. Loved the movie. Um, Meowscarada is okay. Low Kicks is yippee. Mastiff is boo. Mabostiff is yippee. What a lovely old man. Bombardier is okay. Like the Toad. Brute Bonnet, I would say is yippee. Actually, nah, it's meh. Whoa, I had a change of heart real quick. I gotta look these up. I apologize. So we have Wo Chien. Wo Chien is meh. Qian Pao is yippee. Ting Lu, I think Ting Lu is also yippee. Chi Yu is okay. Firefish. It's giving very powerful, but very teeny, which I think is cute. And then finally, Roaring Moon. I think Roaring Moon is probably okay, kind of like Salamence. It is slowly verging towards Charizard, I think. I sure hope it doesn't. When we get to the fire type, you're gonna see how much I hate, absolutely despise Charizard. Like, hate that man with every factor of my being. Uh, so I, so I'm gonna not put him in perfect or yippee. Actually, he is yippee. Okay, and that is the dark type. I, I sure, dear God, hope someone argues with me, because as of recording this, the only comment is just colon capital O, which thanks charcoal, but like, Really? Doesn't tell me anything. I need arguments. I need controversy. I need things. Please feel free to argue. Especially that Undertale dude. I know a bunch of people like that little dude. Like, fight. Um, so I think the biggest fighter will either be how high I put Incineroar or how low I put Mightyena. Very oddly specific things, like maybe y'all are a sucker for, oh, probably Hangry Morpeko. Eh. Um, I don't know why. Could they like change Morpeko? Could they like how like Morpeko just like becomes a dark type and how regular Morpeko like just isn't? Maybe that's not how that works. I don't know. Feel free to fight me, like I've been constantly rambling about. If you are doing a project, I hope that project goes lovely. If you are like, I don't know, just like doing something, hope you have a fun time doing that thing. Um, if you're filing your taxes, I don't know why you're listening to this. That's odd. Uh, but anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful every other part of your day. I'll catch you on the flip side.